Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody posted this on Facebook today, and a lot of people had really good suggestions, and every one of them said that you're going to have to retype the text, and that's almost 100% correct. I didn't look very far to find one, but you can find one that looks pretty close to that, and then this is the original, this is the trace version, and you could just try to match it up. I don't think the logo is more important, but here's the logo, and it's pretty bad. I actually found one on the internet that was a little cleaner, this one right here. But I'm going to take the original one that I took off Facebook, and it looks pretty good. And a couple of people suggesting the Bezier tool and, a bunch of different tools. Some of these, this is almost a straight line. I'm going to show you how to just use the smoothing tool. So we need to ungroup this. And I'm going to grab the smoothing tool, and I'm just going to lightly click on that. Just kind of move it up and down, click on the middle one, move it up and down. And I've got it set on like 20 rate of speed and a 1/2 inch size nib. And that's relative to how big. And I think it looks really good. I don't think you could draw it any better. The only thing that I did different is now the bottoms are a little bit rounded. They're rounded because of what I did. And then when you zoom in, you could actually go a little bit further with this and clean them up. And that looks really good. So how do you make the bottom flat? Well, let's just select all these and let's right click. Now we're going to take a 2-point line, start moving it, and then hold down the control button so it's good and flat. Let's move it into the picture as low as we can get it. And fill them in with the Smart Fill tool. And then we don't even have to move them away. We can just grab it and right click, no outline. Now your bottoms are flat, they're all even. I think it looks pretty good. And once you pick that font, and I wasn't going to take any time to pick the font, but I think that's a copy of the logo right there. You might want to look at the ends, like that might need a little bit of help. I would go to my shape tool then and actually get these nodes and try to figure out what's going on there. Just kind of move these nodes down and get that a little more rounder. But other than that, I think it's pretty much a dead-on logo and a lot easier than hand drawing it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.